are precious and highly dignified rights as contemplated by the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That lady in question, if she is to take matters overboard, can simply enforce her fundamental rights against the Nigerian police. The Constitution 1999 as amended, which guarantees the right of every person against any form of discrimination, particular itself, becomes readily indisputable. Watch this.
You're 18.
18
years. You own a
speak
car.
louder, speak louder. You say you are how old?
I'm 18.
You're 18.
Yes.
You own a car.
Yes, sir.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a businesswoman.
You're a businesswoman. At
Yes.
18, you own a car in Nigeria. What are you telling us?
What you say you're doing business? What type of business are you doing? What type of business are you doing? You own a car, 18 years.
Officer, I'm in a hurry.
You're in a hurry to where?
See,
okay, wait. Are we stupid by stopping you to check? You say you're in a hurry. What type of insolent?
Check the particulars, please.
Officer, what you?
It's like
What is inside that bag?
What is that
What
bag?
is inside that bag?
What is inside that bag?
Officer, why are you interrogating me? It's something. I'm heading somewhere.
It's something like what? It's something like what? You said you're a businesswoman. What is inside the bag? You said you're the...
These are goods.
You are a Yahoo girl. You must be a Yahoo girl.
You must be a Yahoo. Why must you own a car by 18 years? You must be a Yahoo girl.
You own a
Don't
car.
tell me that.
You know that you are doing business.
Open your phone.
What kind of
Yeah,
business?
now.
Open your phone.
Bring your phone.
Open your phone. Open your phone.
Let's
18 years,
check
you
this
own a
very
car.
Open it.
A lot of Nigerians must experience their fair share of police harassment, intimidation, and coercion. Exactly what that video depicts. One amongst thousands encounters Nigerians have been through in the hands of the police. Let's look at Regulation 45, Sub 2 of the Federal Road Traffic Regulation. It states clearly that a person can apply for a private license. So far, the person is at least above the age of 18 years. If we read that particular regulation in line with Section 42 of the Nigerian Constitution 1999 as amended, which guarantees the right of every person against any form of discrimination, particularly, and in this context, on the basis of sex, the law itself becomes readily indisputable. The lady in question is 18 years. She has the right, constitutional right, precisely, to access the public highway as a woman, as not as any other adult male counterpart would. The question there arises, was the police in their right to have harassed the lady on the basis of her age? Because obviously it was the age factor that warranted further inquiries. The police were obviously ignorant of certain salient aspects of the law. That said, the police, can they stop you and search you? Yes, they can. On what basis? The police can conduct a physical search on an individual on the basis of a reasonable suspicion of the police believing that such an individual or person has committed an offense. The question then arises, what was the reasonable suspicion the police saw in that said lady that wanted them to harass the lady and made series of inquiries that has no basis in law? What then was the reasonable suspicion?
All lights for me, I hear what you talk. You say what?
That's it. The police aggravated matters when they made an inroad into the lady's personal life. First and foremost, the harassment, the intimidation, the coercion, and ordinarily contravened 35 of the Nigerian Constitution that talks about the dignity of a human person. They went further to violate a right to digital privacy pursuant to Section 37 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 as amended. This therefore leaves us with the big axe. That lady in question, if she is to take matters overboard, can simply enforce her fundamental rights against the Nigerian police force for violating our precious and highly dignified rights as contemplated by the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Having said that, what was the right way the police should have gone about this? The police, first and foremost, pursuant to Section 50, Sub 2 and 3 of the Nigerian Police Act 2020, and back judicially in the Federal High Court's ruling in the case of Maxwell Wifo against the Inspector General of Police and order delivered March 2025. The vehicle is approaching. An officer from afar flags the vehicle to grind to a halt. The vehicle eventually grinds to a halt, and the officer requests that the person inside the vehicle should roll down or wind down. The person complies readily. The officer tells the person to switch off the engine. The person does that. Then the person asks the officer, "Good morning. Please, how can I be of help to you?" Officer responds, "I am Officer Ibrahim Musa from Area J, Area Command Ikeja. Please, we are here on a search." The person in question responds to the officer, "Thank you very much. Your uniform already shows that you are an officer, and I pretty much appreciate that. Please, can I know the reason for the search?" The officer responds, "We got an information this morning that there are some hoodlums or individuals parading in illegal firearms and weapons within this same route and in this particular model of vehicle. That's hence the reason for the search. Thank you very much, officer. Please, do you intend to start from the rear or from the interior?" The officer tells the person, "Thank you. Please step back. We will be glad to start from the rear." Be rest assured that this will be done within the bounds of the law. A perfect way to address a citizen who you intend to conduct a search operation on. That itself will place the citizens under a relatively calm atmosphere, and there will be no need for unnecessary intimidation, harassment, or coercion whatsoever. The Nigerian police force should call their team together once more. That civility should not be replaced with violence, intimidation, and coercion against any Nigerian.